how to reclaim 10 to 15 hours a week and be more productive in 2025. Cut unnecessary activities, boost productivity, and unlock more time for what truly matters. Ever feel like there just are not enough hours in the day? You are not alone. Most people do not realize they can reclaim 10 to 15 hours a week just by cutting out unnecessary activities and streamlining their routines. In this video, I break down how to identify time-wasting habits, overcome distractions, and create a routine that works, all while keeping it fun and exciting, packed with actionable tips, real-life examples, and a few laughs along the way. This video will help you become more productive in 2025, ready to make the most of your time. Let's get started. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and join my coaching program for personalized support. Imagine yourself standing in a bright, cheerful room with upbeat music playing in the background, holding a clock in one hand and a to-do list in the other. Hey friends, have you ever felt like there just are not enough hours in the day? You have got work, chores, errands, social life, and by the time you are done, you wonder, where did my time go? Well, what if I told you that you probably have 10 to 15 hours a week you can reclaim just by cutting out unnecessary activities? Yep, it is true. Stick around, because in today's video, I will show you how to take back your time and use it to crush your goals. Relax more, or finally start that side hustle you have been dreaming about. And if you want personalized coaching to help you get there, I have got you covered. Section 1. Identifying time-wasting activities. The problem? Let's face it, most of us spend way too much time on things that do not add any real value to our lives. Scrolling through social media, binge-watching shows, or saying yes to everything sound familiar. These time-sucking habits keep us busy but not productive. The solution? Perform a time audit. Step 1. You have got to figure out where your time is actually going. Spend a week tracking how you use your time. For example, Sarah, a marketing manager, tracked her week and found she spent 12 hours scrolling Instagram. She did not even realize how much time it was eating up. Here is an actionable step. Take a notebook or use a time tracking app like Toggle or Rescue Time. Write down everything you do in 30-minute chunks for a week. You will be shocked by how much time you waste. Solution: to identify fake productive tasks. Not everything that feels productive actually is. Ever spent an hour color-coding your to-do list instead of doing the tasks? Yeah, that is fake productivity. For example, Mike spent hours organizing his email folders, but never actually replied to his important emails. Do not be like Mike. Here, an actionable step: ask yourself, is this task directly helping me achieve my goals? If not, cut it or delegate it. Solution 3. Reduce overcommitment. Many of us waste time by saying yes to too many things, whether it is meetings, social events, or random favors. For example, Rachel felt overwhelmed because she said yes to every project at work. When she started saying no to unnecessary meetings, she reclaimed 5 hours a week. Here is a pro tip: think of your time like pizza slices. If you keep giving slices away, you will have none left for yourself. Protect your pizza. Your call to action: want help identifying your time wasters? Join my coaching program, where we will do a personalized time audit together. Section 2. Cutting out digital distractions. The problem: digital distractions are sneaky. You sit down to work, but 5 minutes later, you are watching cat videos on YouTube. Sound familiar? The solution: use time blocks for social media. Social media is not bad, it is how we use it. Set specific times in your day for scrolling, and stick to it. For example, John used to check TikTok every hour. Now, he schedules 2 15-minute blocks a day and saves 7 hours a week. Here, an actionable step: set alarms on your phone for when you can check social media. Outside those times, keep your phone on silent or in another room. Solution: to turn off notifications. Notifications are like mosquitoes. They keep buzzing and pulling your attention away. Turn them off. For example, Lisa turned off her email and social media notifications and noticed she was way less stressed. Here is a pro tip: notifications are like toddlers. They demand attention at the worst possible times. Mute them. Solution 3. Use Do Not Disturb mode. During deep work sessions, turn on Do Not Disturb mode. This prevents interruptions and helps you focus. For example, David used to get interrupted by texts during work. Now, he puts his phone in Do Not Disturb mode and finishes tasks twice as fast. Section 3. simplifying tasks and automating where possible. The problem? We waste time on repetitive tasks, things that can be simplified, automated, or outsourced. The solution: batch similar tasks. Batching means grouping similar tasks together so you do them all at once, saving time and mental energy. For example, Susan used to check her email 20 times a day. Now, she batches it into 2 30-minute sessions and saves hours. Here, an actionable step: identify tasks you can batch, like emails, errands, or phone calls. Set specific times to handle them. Solution: to automate routine tasks. Automation tools can handle repetitive tasks for you. Think scheduling posts, sending invoices, or even grocery shopping. For example, Jake automated his bill payments and grocery orders. It freed up 3 hours a week. Here, an actionable step: explore automation tools like Zapier for business tasks or apps like Instacart for personal errands. Solution 3. Delegate what you do not need to do yourself. If it does not require your personal touch, delegate it, whether it is hiring a virtual assistant or asking your kids to help with chores. Delegation saves time. For example, Emma hired a virtual assistant to handle customer emails. It freed her up to focus on growing her business. Here is a pro tip: delegation is like playing hot potato, pass it off before it burns you. Section 4. Creating a routine that works. The problem: even when we free up time, we often do not use it well because we lack a solid routine. The solution: start your day with a priority task. Successful people start their day with their most important task, not emails or busy work. For example, Maria used to start her day by checking emails. Now, she spends the first hour on her top priority, and her productivity has skyrocketed. Solution: to schedule downtime. Rest is not a luxury, it is a productivity tool. Schedule breaks and downtime to recharge. For example, Chris started taking 10-minute breaks every hour. He felt more focused and productive throughout the day. Solution 3. Review and adjust weekly. Life changes, so your routine should too. Review what is working and tweak what is not. For example, every Sunday, Karen reviews her schedule. It helps her stay on top of things and avoid overwhelm. Your call to action: imagine yourself smiling with upbeat music playing in the background. All your goals for 2025 are in reach. Click on the link in the description below. Gito, get started. So, there you have it. By identifying time wasters, cutting digital distractions, simplifying tasks, and building a solid routine, you can reclaim 10 to 15 hours a week in 2025. Imagine what you could do with that extra time. Start a business, spend more time with family, or just relax guilt-free. If you want personalized help to reclaim your time and boost your productivity, join my coaching program. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use more hours in their week. Thanks for watching. You have got this.